Right, we gotta wear our gloves, make sure no corona, grab our main things, razor or cleaning wipes, and this is what we all been waiting for, the Fanatec whole drift simulator setup. Let's go ahead and first open up our steering wheel. We gotta be safe, can't risk getting sick by COVID. Alright, so this is the Clubsport wheel BMW edition. This was actually a part of the package that I bought from Fanatec. All this stuff will be in the link in the description so you guys can check it out. Oh. Wow, this is some nice packaging. Definitely did a good job. And our Fanatec BMW original design. This is the legit like wheel they use in the whole like GT, I guess. Wow, this is sick. Well, that's that. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't seen, this is my seat. This is actually a 370Z passenger seat, but I went ahead and got it. It had a deployed airbag, so we went ahead and did some Trigga spec to it, zip tied it up. But this is what we're gonna attach to the whole rig. So that's the steering wheel. Now we're gonna move to the shifter. Whew, I gotta say, this packaging is fabulously nice. Anyone for Fanatec ever watches these, killed it. So we got our Fanatec Clubsport shifter. Whoo, so sick. Next, we got the Clubsport handbrake. This is so exciting, guys. This is like Christmas for me. Finally saved up all the money for it and was able to get it. So everybody whose excuse is it's too expensive, you don't know me that well, I guess. You just gotta keep saving. Hey, that's a nice plug right there. Y'all like that? Whew. So we got our Clubsport handbrake. This is the same thing that you would pretty much have in your car if you had an external hydro. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the wheelbase. This I think is the most important piece of this whole setup. This is what the steering wheel is gonna attach to, and this is what ultimately is gonna create steering wheel effect that you would have in your car if you went drifting, like the counter steering or oversteering, learning when to let go of the steering wheel, when to keep holding on to it. If you have a car like this that has a lot of parts, you're highly invested in it, I highly recommend you guys getting the Fanatec setup, because just can't go wrong. And I am so stoked. It says hello. Oh, hello to you. Oh, come on. Wow, this is heavy. Oh. Wow, there's our Fanatec 0.5 Clubsport wheelbase. Wow, guys, this is so exciting. And now, last thing is we got our Clubsport Pedals V3 inverted. See, it looks like the car, it's actually hanging down. Wow, this setup is nuts. Hey Benjo, Louis. Alright, so we cleaned our box. This is the Omega GT Titan Cockpit. This is like the best one they sell. I ended up getting it. Links will be all provided in the description. So if anybody wants to buy one, use my link. And if you provide your email, you get a 5% discount too. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Oh, you guys are upset that I brush your teeth? Hi, Louis, you wanna say hi? Hi, mama. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Oh my. This stuff is heavy. Oh god. This is heavy. Alright, so we got our cockpit set up, the GT Omega Titan cockpit. This is it. This is my 370Z seat. So I actually had to cut the brackets for the seat off, which was a really big pain in the ass, but I ended up doing it. Took me forever. And I was only able to get the front bolts hooked up, which is one right here and one right there, but in the rear, no matter how much I tried, when I put the nut and the bolt through, this seat would only be able to go back to here, and then it would get caught onto the rail. So what I ended up doing, just for it, because I got tired, I ended up just zip tying it right here and right here, just to hold this seat so it doesn't necessarily tilt forward, and pretty much good to. This is our shifter assembly, where it's gonna go, our wheelbase and our pedals. Now we could go ahead and start unboxing everything. I guess first we could unbox this steering wheel. God damn. Ooh, holy shit. This is fucking insane. Joysticks, directional modes. Wow, these keys feel so firm. Oh man, we got paddle shifters. And it comes with the quick release. So like it says in the box, this is the actual Fanatec steering wheel that they use in GT racing. Not Fanatec, but BMW uses. This is awesome, guys. What a beaut. I guess next we can move on to the Clubsport handbrake. Alright. Next we can open up our shifter. Actual shifter itself. Oh, wow, this feels so real. Wow, look how small this thing is. That's insane. Fanatec. Smells brand new. Dang, so this is our wheelbase, which that steering wheel that you guys saw will be connecting to. Last but not least, our pedals. I love how all this stuff comes in this huge bag. Our inverted pedals for the clutch. Dang. Our rig is finally set up. We got our Fanatec inverted pedal, Fanatec Clubsport wheelbase, BMW wheel, shifter, and Hydro. And we're gonna be playing Assetto Corsa. I put my headphones on. Alright, can you guys get a good view? So we're in a Toyota Supra.